Welcome to Next Gain Finance. Today, let's break down the powerful 70-20-10 money management rule, a simple, discipline-driven method to take control of your finances and build real wealth no matter your income. Think of your budget as a pie. 70% covers your essential needs: rent or mortgage, utilities, transport, insurance, food, things you truly cannot live without. Track these carefully and regularly review them to spot savings opportunities. 20% goes straight into savings or investments. This means building an emergency fund, starting college savings, or investing for future goals. By paying yourself first each month, you'll steadily move toward financial security. 10% is reserved for debt payoff. If you're debt-free, use this slice to support charities, treat yourself, or invest more. Flexibility is key as long as you stick to the plan. Let's see how this works in practice. If your take-home monthly income is €3,000, allocate €2,100 to essentials, €600 to savings or Rothschild's investments, and €300 to debt repayment or discretionary spending. This keeps you within your means, ensures your financial priorities are covered, and provides clarity for every euro. Automate your success. Review bank and card statements for the last few months. Calculate averages and adjust so your essentials stay within 70%. Automate transfers for savings/investments into dedicated high-yield accounts or ETFs. Make it a hands-off habit. If your expenses are too high, cut where you can. Review subscriptions, reduce eating out, and renegotiate bills. Can't hit 70%? Adapt. For now, focus on the essentials and build good habits. Alternative rules for flexibility. If the 70-20-10 feels too tight, try the 50-30-20 rule, needs wants savings, or the straightforward 80-20, save 20%, spend 80%. 80% as you wish. The style doesn't matter as much as consistency. Pick what suits you best, automate, and stay disciplined. In summary, money management is mostly discipline, not complicated math. The 70-20-10 rule, or its alternatives, help you grow wealth by setting priorities and staying consistent. Track, automate, and adjust as your life changes. And remember, real financial health comes from following through, not just knowing the numbers. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for more actionable finance strategies.